Hey there, Striverz! Welcome back to another exciting video on the Striverz Money channel. Today, we're diving into the world of stock photography and exploring how you can make money with Shutterstock. You heard that right. It's time to turn those stunning photos collecting dust on your hard drive into cold hard cash. But first, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Let's get started. Ever thought that your photos could earn you money? Get ready to be amazed because today, we're going to share the secrets to making money with Shutterstock. Stick around to find out how. 1. Introduction to Shutterstock. For those of you who don't know, Shutterstock is a global marketplace for stock photos, videos, and music. Photographers, videographers, and musicians can sell their work to clients worldwide, and anyone can become a contributor. But how do you get started? Well, let's find out. 2. Becoming a Shutterstock contributor. First things first, you need to sign up as a Shutterstock contributor. The process is simple. Create an account, submit your best work, and wait for approval. Once approved, you can start uploading your content for sale. Here's a pro tip. Shutterstock accepts not only photos, but also videos, illustrations, and vector art. So make sure to diversify your portfolio. 3. Tips for success. To maximize your earnings, you'll want to follow these expert tips. 1. Focus on quality. Shutterstock is known for its high-quality content, so make sure your photos are well lit, well composed, and have a clear focus. Invest in a good camera and learn basic photography skills to stand out from the competition. 2. Identify popular niches. Do your research and find out what kind of images are in demand. Lifestyle, business, and travel are just a few examples of popular niches, but there are always room for fresh, unique content that stands out. 3. Keyword your images. Keywords are critical for buyers to find your work. Use relevant, specific keywords to describe your content. And don't forget to include variations and synonyms to increase your chances of being discovered. 4. Upload consistently. The more content that you have, the higher your chances of making sales. Set a goal to upload a certain number of photos every week and stick to it. Remember, consistency is key. 5. Keep an eye on trends. Stay up to date with current events and trends and try to create content that reflects these topics. This will help you stay relevant and increase your chances of making sales. 6. Promote your work. Share your portfolio on social media and create blog or website and connect with potential clients. The more exposure you get, the more likely you are to make sales. 4. Earnings and payouts. Now, let's talk money. Shutterstock operates on a royalty system, which means you earn a percentage of the sale price every time your content is downloaded. The exact amount depends on your lifetime earnings and the type of license the buyer can purchase. You can earn anywhere from 15 to 40% of the sale, with the potential for higher earnings as you gain more experience. Shutterstock pays contributors monthly via PayPal, Payoneer, or Skrill, with a minimum payout threshold of $35. So, the more you sell, the more you make. Alright, Striverz, now you know the secrets to making money with Shutterstock. It's time to put your photography skills to the test and start earning some extra cash from the comfort of your own home. Don't forget, practice makes perfect, so keep refining your skills and expanding your portfolio to increase your chances of success. Now it's your time to take action and check out the related links in the description, and make sure you watch our other videos on making money and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching and keep striving.